fun, not the plaything. Please don't touch me.
Nezzy, what you doing?
The Richards consternation, it was then time for our track day.
Let me go.
Producers insisted
Mom, what are you doing today?
You are Forest on a Monday.
from the catalogues.
Come on, Nezzy, fly. Fly away, Nez. Nez, go and get mummy. Mummy's there. Come here.
Yeah.
That's it.
So I won't remember to take it. I'll put it by the door.
Fly, go fly, pretty bird. Let's go fly. Let's go fly. There you go.
Hello, darling. Hello, May.
Which of you has the You will be in the passenger seat while the car is driven by a tame racing driver. The stick? No, he's not the stick. He's the Stig's German cousin.
Nez. He's trying to.
It is a stick.
Did you not know it's a recording right now? It's Bird and Cage Chap's favourite bird out of Bird and Cage. Then as that nummy Nez. Here, is that yours?
Not getting you away, I'm just been walking past. Oh, there's nugget pack there, look. Hello. Have you got like a little tiny piece of paper and a pencil?
Yeah, but I'm not doing it in a minute.
Now don't start with me. I said stop.
See, I've got a pencil. And I have a sheet of paper as well.
Now put it Okay, come on me now after that. Come on, be off, get off. Get off me. Get off now. You're being a naughty boy. Naughty.
What you doing, Nezzy?
Get off. Stop.
No, I found it in my box. That's my pencil.
Find it in your box, it doesn't make it your pencil.
It's my pencil.
I'm pretty sure this is my good pencil. It's a Stanford one.
I don't care, dear. Well, I have tons of pencils anyway, so you can have it if you want.
Like, she's got a wash tape, she's got a pencil.
Well, if,
Well, she got mine in there.
well, they're in my box. Mum's doing it, not me.
She blamed you for this.
Nezzy, were you trying to bite the fish tank? It's going to. You can't bite it anymore. I'm gonna have to land on the floor. Or the table. Nezzy's watching you. He's on your head. Nezzy's trying to get the bird. Nezzy, trying to get the fish. You understand? I didn't say bird before. I trust me, Nez. Okay, I'm gonna go Nez.
starting to hear the unmistakable sound of knackers snapping.